U.S. Attorney for D.C. It's a name that many people are familiar with, Judge Jeanine Pirro. And the president shared this on Truth Social. Before we get your thoughts, Judge, writing this, I'm pleased to announce that Judge Jeanine Pirro will be appointed interim U.S. Attorney for the District of Columbia. Jeanine was Assistant District Attorney for Westchester County, New York, then went on to serve as County Judge and District Attorney, where she was the first woman to ever be elected to those positions. She's in a class by herself. Congratulations, Jeanine. Your thoughts?
So this is an interim appointment. Under the Federal Vacancies Act, it lasts for 210 days. By that time, the president will need to either nominate Jeanine and have her confirmed, or nominate someone else and have that person confirmed. Because by the end of the 210th day, she no longer has the opportunity to stay there as interim. So I worked with Jeanine for, probably 15 years. There are two, and I've been in television for 30 years. There's really two kinds of lawyers on air. There are lawyers who are television people, and there are lawyers who are television people but still are serious lawyers. Jeanine is in the latter category. I mean, she and I have agreed and disagreed on many things. She knows the law, she understands the law, she has tremendous experience prosecuting as the chief prosecutor of Westchester County, which, for those not around here, is just north of New York City. A very wealthy so-called bedroom community, but a lot of crime, a lot of gang crime, not unlike what she will be prosecuting in D.C. My hat is off to her. It's a good choice, and I wouldn't be surprised if she stays there, meaning if the president decides she's doing such a good job, it's time to nominate her and let the Senate confirm her.
Were you surprised by that pick, to see Jeanine Pirro?
I was not surprised, because I know Jeanine, and I know of her closeness to the president, and I know of her willingness to want to work in his administration. She and I talked, I won't reveal what we said, but she and I talked about this back in 2016, not this particular job, but her willingness, and she was asking me about mine, to serve in his administration.
Yeah, she's a big supporter of President Trump. But Ed Martin was, I believe, the initial pick,
and
right?
Also a big supporter of the president, but became a lightning rod in such a way that he couldn't get enough votes amongst Republican senators on the Senate Judiciary Committee. I think he would have been confirmed if it went to the floor, but under the Senate rules, you got to get through that committee in order to get to the floor.
Good point. All right, always great analysis from you, Judge Andrew Napolitano, joining us here.
Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend.
Too. Thank you.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.